How to design Substack. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can design Substack. So let's jump straight into it. Designing your Substack starts with setting a clear tone and look that matches your content and personality. Once you're logged into your account, go to your settings, then click on publication details to add your title, description, and logo. This sets the foundation. Next, head over to the Design tab under Settings where you can customize your publication's colors, fonts, and layout. You can choose a light or dark theme, upload a header image, and adjust how your posts are displayed on the home page. To keep things visually consistent, use a simple and clean layout. Substack is designed to prioritize readability, so don't overcomplicate it. Also, customize your About page to give readers a quick idea of who you are and what your newsletter is about. Finally, preview your newsletter emails under Email Settings to make sure your design flows well on both desktop and mobile. While Substack doesn't offer deep custom HTML or CSS editing by default, it gives you just enough tools to create a polished, branded newsletter that looks professional and stays focused on your writing. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.